Great products often have one common thread: the combination of superb mechanical design in SolidWorks and superbly designed PCBs to become simply awesome products. Yet all too often, we treat these two worlds as completely separate entities unable to communicate with one another. Two sides of the same design, all trying to unite around a common end goal. Yet at the end of the day, if there's no way to communicate and collaborate, it doesn't work and someone is blamed for the failure. It's time for something that does work. It's time for PCB Works. PCB Works empowers seamless collaboration with SolidWorks by directly integrating your project design data without compromising on PCB technology. Solidify your design. PCB Works by Altium.